Namaste to you guys. Today I want to speak about the life purpose, how to stay connected to your life purpose and how to really tune into it. Now, before starting, I want to mention the fact that I do one-on-one coaching sessions. So if you want to work with me personally, feel free to send me a message. If you want to be part of my spiritual podcast called Consciously Awakening, feel free to send me a message. And if you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment. Now, the life purpose. I believe that each moment is designed for you to actually learn something, okay? Each moment is designed for you to really channel the energies of the higher abundance, channel the energies of the higher self. Each moment is designed for you to actually be your true authentic version, okay? What I'm coming to realize is the fact that the universe is mathematical. The universe is mathematical, and everything that is happening is actually happening with a higher purpose. So, sorry. So the first tool that I would recommend for you guys is to actually see life from a spiritual perspective. Okay, if you see life from a spiritual perspective, you will understand why things are happening. You will understand the fact that everything that is happening is actually happening for you, and that everything that is happening with a higher purpose. Okay, so the universe is mathematical. Okay, everything that is happening is actually connected, and we are connected to a higher source of energy. We are connected to a higher state of consciousness. The more that we actually realize how things are moving, is the more that we are stepping into our life's purpose. Now, the second tool that I would suggest you guys is creativity. Okay, what do you create today? What do you choose to actually offer? Because by the universal law of cause and effect, we receive what we give. Okay, so what I would like to suggest is start offering something. Start offering your heart into the world. Start creating something that actually fulfills your heart and your soul's mission. Okay, so question what your passion is, question what your talents are, question what your potential is, and get to actually express that into the world. Get to actually step into that movement that will actually allow you to stay connected to your life's mission. Okay, I believe that human consciousness is really connected to universal consciousness, and I believe that there is actually an intelligence that is actually moving things. Now, the third thing that I would like you guys to realize is the fact that you have the power to create your own reality. Okay, you have the power to create your own reality with the thoughts that you have. Okay, so the more that you actually take care of what you think and of what you feel, is the more that you will actually step into that higher mission, into that higher purpose. Okay, so the third thing to realize is the fact that yes, by the law of attraction, you do have the power to create your own reality. So what do you choose to actually project out there into the world? Okay, what do you choose to see your next moment as? Okay, how do you choose to be in the now? Okay, what do you choose to express yourself as? What is your vision towards the universe? What is your vision towards life? Get to actually express that vision, and you will see magic happen, because I believe that magic is everywhere. Magic is in our state of consciousness, and we do have the power to actually express that beautiful vision out there. Now, the fourth thing that I would like you guys to realize is gratefulness. How grateful are you today? What are the things that you are actually grateful for today? Because what I'm coming to realize is the fact that if I get grateful for my experience, then I get to actually step into a higher state of consciousness. If I get to actually be grateful for the things that I have, then more will actually come into my life. Okay, so it's about playing the game of gratefulness. It's about really opening the heart to the present moment, and it's about embracing all kind of experiences. It's about being grateful even for your rough past. It's about being grateful for what you are experiencing right now. Okay, so be grateful. Be grateful, because it's worth it. Okay, the more that you actually enjoy the small things, is the more that the big things will actually come into your life. Now, the last tip that I would suggest for you guys is stay conscious. If you want to live purposefully, stay conscious. Okay, the more conscious you get, is the more that you get to actually experience the bliss, is the more that you get to actually experience that high vibe energy. Okay, so stay conscious, do your own thing, and realize that of course it's not always about the positive, but when we accept the negative, we will actually make it something more positive. Okay, so guys, these are my 5 tips on how to live purposefully. I hope that you're having a great day. I hope that you're having an amazing day. If you are new to my YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment, and of course, let's connect and let's see what happens. Okay, I realize that nothing is random, and the more that I actually accept myself and the more that I love myself, I get to actually win the game, because the game is about self-love, self-respect, self-responsibility. It's about offering the world love. It's about realizing that love is the highest vibrational energy in the universe, and it's about connecting to my individual mission. And within this individual mission, it's about connecting the dots and really stepping into that higher purpose. Guys, thanks for watching. Like always, you are appreciated, you are loved, and see you on what is coming up next. I love you so much, with my heart, with my soul, with my beingness, and I'm sending you my best vibes. Take this is magic. Take this and realize that you are a beautiful being of light and love. You are a warrior of light, of peace, of abundance. Thank you for watching, and like always, see you on what is coming up next. I love you.